Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, today I will explain about which sheep breed and which goat breed is best for rearing. Since these videos are prepared keeping in view of the weather and other conditions of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Indian states, just I will explain about the breeds of goat and sheep which are reared in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. First of all, regarding sheep breeds. In Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states, Nellore Jodipi, Nellore Palla, Nellore Brown and Dakkani breed sheep are reared by farmers. Now about goat breeds reared by farmers. In Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states, the famous goat breeds reared are Usmanabadi, Berberi, Boyer, Telicherry, Jamunapari, Sirohi, Beetle and Black Bengal. These are the goat breeds reared by farmers in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana states. Regarding other areas of the world, it depends on your area where you wish to start a sheep farm, because different types of sheep breeds and different type of goat breeds are reared in different parts of the world. So please inquire locally with butchers, meat selling shops, senior farmers and also at local sheep markets regarding which breeds are being reared in that locality, and purchase that breed and start a farm. It is better to inquire in local with these people and shop the sheep farm. All the best, friends. Thank you.